Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Ring doorbell ownership to another account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring ownership of your Ring doorbell, open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in to your Ring account using your credentials. Locate the device you want to transfer in the list of your Ring devices. Tap on the device to open its settings page. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and select Device Shared Users. In the Shared Users section, tap on Remove User to take. Next, go back to the device settings and select General Settings. Look for the option labeled Manage Account and tap on it. Here, select the option that says Transfer Device. You will be prompted to confirm the transfer. Tap Continue to proceed. Enter the email address of the new owner who will receive the device. Ensure the email address is correct, then tap Send Invitation. The new owner will receive an email invitation to accept the device transfer. Instruct the new owner to check their email and find the invitation from Ring. They should click on the link in the email to accept the device transfer. Once they accept, they will be prompted to create a new Ring account or log in if they already have one. After logging in, the transfer will be completed, and the new owner will have access to the Ring doorbell. Notify the new owner that the transfer is now complete, and they can manage the device from their account. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, refer to the Ring support website for troubleshooting assistance. That's all you need to know about transferring ownership of your Ring doorbell to another account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.